Minista wa giteri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen niahiukite kuhorohia urugari uria ukoretwo ugithagia gatagati ka atongoria matiganite makiria wigie riboti cia ati thirikari iri na mubango wa guthamia thukuru wa mathomo ma borithi wa Kiganjo kuma kaunti ya Nyeri nginya gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley.
We cannot allow this institution to be moved away from Nyeri, because that is tantamount to denying the Nyeri people a share of their national cake.
Kuhitukira ndumiriri yake Murkomen ateanirie riboti ici ta gukorwo irio muhuhu utari na umo wothe kuona thirikari ndiri na mubango wa guthamia thukuru wothe wa mathomo ma borithi ndiri mubango-ini wa guciandandura na gwaka ingĩ.
Niliposema hivyo juzi, mtu akasema ati Murkomen amesema Kiganjo itafungwa na itapelekwa iende kwake huko Marakwet. No, that is not what we are after. We are saying that Kiganjo, Embakasi A, Embakasi B, and those colleges that are now established, practicals haitafanywa kwa town, hiyo practicals zitafanywa kwa msituni penye kuna bandits na kuna challenges na kuna terrain ile kalikali.
Mubuge wa Nyeri taoni Duncan Mathenge no otithurite urugari uyu akiuga matiri hindi megwitikiria thukuru wa borithi wa Kiganjo uthamio kuma kaunti ya Nyeri. Kuona undu uyu gitunyukithia Nyeri moguni maingi maria maumanaga na thukuru uyu undu uria Murkomen agire kiene akiuga gutiri na mubango wa kuhutia thukuru wa Kiganjo.
If Kiganjo is being downgraded, he must state so openly and then we can take him on. If Kiganjo is being elevated on account of a new policy in police training, or if they are opening a constituent college of Kiganjo in Baringo, we need clarity. At this point in time, I am just appealing to CS Murkomen to come out in black and white and state what is the fate of Kiganjo Police Training College.
Tunataka kuestablish security training grounds kwa Kerio Valley. Tuko ingine West Pokot, tuko ingine huko Marakwet, tuko ingine huko Baringo, tuko ingine huko Samburu. Ili kwamba askari wetu wakienda shule Embakasi A, Embakasi B, Kiganjo, wasiende tu huko kusoma kwa darasa tu ya class. Wakitoka huko practicals wanaenda huko kwa very difficult areas kwa Kerio Valley region.
Mubuge Maina thigatite Minista Murkomen kuheana utheri wigie mubango uria thirikari iri naguo na thukuru uyu wa Kiganjo kuona matiri hindi magitikiria mubango wa kuhotomia thukuru ucio undu uria Murkomen augite ona thirikari iri mubango-ini wa kwambatiria ngathi thukuru uyu na kugutu imwe ya university cia mathomo ma borithi.
Rais amesema ametuambia because we are establishing National Police University. Kiganjo will be one of the campuses of the National Police University, which already the college iko kwa Karen. Tunataka sasa tupeleke Kiganjo will be one of the campuses.
So if it is that component of the shooting range that is being removed from Kiganjo, then I would support because it solves a certain community problem.
Mathomo ma kurutu wa borithi matabanagirio thukuru-ini ithatu ngurani cia mathomo ma borithi bururi-ini. Thukuru wa Kiganjo kihuthika kuhe mathomo borithi a kawaida. Embakasi A ihuthikaga guthomithia borithi ya AP riri Embakasi B ikoragwo iri ya kuhe mathomo borithi ya GSU.
Haitoshi kwenda kutrain police officers 9 months na haitoshi. There must be continuous training program of our police officers for the entire of their life. And therefore, having campuses in Kiganjo, ingine in Western, ingine in Coast, will help us to empower our police officers to understand how to deal with the challenges of this time.
Girivotara Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.